Pinterest platform. Today I just want to make a very simple video. This is princess knit. You can see the difference in it. It's folded. It's like a pleat. It's different from the straight one. It's with pleat and it comes in different colors. Actually, I have about 2 years of this. Then I'll be working with this little cap, a comb, the candle glue, a band, trimming to design, and I'll be forming some roses out of this. Of course, I need my scissors. Alright, let me just begin. The video is really going to be very short. I'll start by wrapping this cap. I'm just going to use this silver material to wrap. So I'll cut the size that I need to wrap. You know, I will easily get the size by covering this, just covering the art with it, covering the art with the material. That will give me the size that I need. Then I'll trim it off. Just going to trim round. I will not be wasting this material. You know, I just have to cut to size. This art, this is all I need. So, all I need to do now is just place it on it flat, as you can see what I'm doing, with the help of the glue. Just by applying the glue on a little portion of it. Placing the material on it. Coming to the other side, doing the same thing. Just on the edge, apply the glue. Place the material on it. You see the back already. Just going to do the same thing all over. So right now, you see I'm done wrapping this part that is rough. When I'm done, I'm just going to cover it up. So this is no problem at all. It's not a challenge. But at least you can see, since I'm working with silver, I just had to make the silver more pronounced. And to do that, I used the material I showed to you earlier on to wrap the cap, and this is how it looks after wrapping. So right now I'm just going to pass the thread through the princess net. Pull it through it till I get to the end of it. Back, front, as in out. I'll do this till I get to the end. Alright. I decide to use a color thread so that you can see what I'm actually doing. Alright. I didn't secure the edge. You can see I'm done passing the thread through. All I need to do is just pull it together. Pull it together. Alright, after dragging it together like this, I'm just going to get it shaped like what you are seeing now. I'll just look for the center of what I'm doing. And remember, this place is parted, so I'm just going to get parts at the back. So I'll start spreading this. I'll just start spreading this net now, like this. You see it's risen already. I'll spread it by dragging it this way. The moment you stretch it, you know, since it's a pleated net, the moment you begin to stretch, you know, it will start rising up and it can stand on its own. Like you see now, it's actually standing on its own. You can see it. Then the rest part, I'll just spread it so that it can relax and not stand, just like you see now. You can see, you know, this, the part I want to stand is already standing. The part I need to stand is standing. And you see that I'm trying to flatten this part, and I only do that by spreading the excess which I got from the other part back to this side, and maybe just cross it into top of each other, just like this, just like this. See what I've done? Place my art, the wrapped art on it like this. Place it on it like this. You see it? Yeah, while I'm working on it, I will ensure that I'm able to get an equal part with this, and then I'm just going to work directly with my glue. I'm working directly with glue, and while I'm doing that, I'll still try to spread the part I want to stand. You'll see what I'm doing. Still spread it. Turn it round. So this is it. So this is it. Take a very look at the center of this, of the net now. You see that I actually tack it. I did a little tacking with the thread. This is just to secure it in position, to make sure that the net is actually where I want it to be. So I'm going to take this off since I don't need it. Like I said, I work now. You see, I'm placing this under. The reason is the candle gum will actually be, you know, getting out of the net, so that it will not like stick to this table. I had to put something under and place. Like I said, I'm not going to sew any part of this. I'm just working with the glue, applying enough quantity of the glue underneath the cap. Is all I need right now. Underneath it, that's all I need right now. Yeah, you can see what. So you see, I've fixed the cap. I've fixed the cap to the princess net, and I think it's okay. The next thing I'll do is the next step, I'm going to apply the trimming. This trimming actually will help to hold this cap to the net further while using it as a form of design. You use the glue as in let it be enough, because that's what's doing the work. So like I said, the trimming is going to help to stick, you know. So this is how it will look. You see it now after gumming that part. By this time it is fixed. So I'll just try to pull it off. So having this, the next thing I'll do is just trim off this part. Trim it off. trim it off. The cap is open. So to secure this very end, I'm just still going to glue it up with this same trimming. Just place it like this with the help of the hot glue. So right now you can see how the finished work of the inside is looking. Makes it neater, and it also helps to keep the net in position. You remember we did not sew this. There's no thread work here. We did not sew. Everything I'm doing just has to do with the gum. So this is what I get. Next part of it is just to still apply this trimming all over the edges. Just placing it with the help of the I'm going to take it around it, as in with the help of the hot glue. So this is it after gluing and decor. All I need to do now, I'm just going to form roses with this, and just going to apply the hairband, and in the next 1 minute I'll do that. Okay, this is the finishing. Once more, thank you for viewing this video. If you have not subscribed to my channel, please do so. Promise to get better. Thank you.